Zscaler exceeded second quarter earnings and revenue estimates, with sales increasing from $525 million to $648 million year over year. CEO Jay Chaudhry attributes this demand to two main factors: the need for cyber protection due to the increased attack surface area provided by AI models, and the potential loss of data through submitting source codes to these AI applications. He emphasizes the importance of their zero-trust architecture in providing comprehensive cybersecurity solutions. Despite this positive news, their stock only increased slightly due to unfavorable broader market conditions affecting tech stocks. Over the last 5 years, shareholders enjoyed substantial total returns over 350%, thanks to partnerships with leading companies like SAP and Cognizant and ambitious revenue growth targets. However, its price-to-sales ratio has often been perceived as expensive compared to industry peers. Recent executive changes also demonstrate the company's focus on innovation and growth. Meanwhile, Gevo announced that it will delay its fourth quarter and full year 2024 earnings release and investor conference call to allow additional time for finalizing accounting treatments related to the purchase of Red Trail Energy assets and capitalization of other project expenses. A separate press release will be issued with a rescheduled date and time once determined. As for Instacart, it keeps scaling up the use of AI to improve product replacements, enhance customer tools, and driving ad revenue growth. The company made 300 million replacements with a 95% satisfaction rate using AI in 2024. It also plans to test advanced store shelf scanning using AI to analyze videos from workers and eventually use it with caper carts. Furthermore, Instacart uses AI for product tagging in its catalog to allow personalization based on dietary preferences. The company has collaborated with OpenAI on its AI agent called Operator and integrated its caper carts with NVIDIA's Jetson platform for improved smart cart product recognition. They also reduced the minimum order size for Instacart Plus members from $35 to $10 in an effort to increase overall order frequency and make its membership more appealing. The change has already boosted usage, according to CFO Emily Reuter. The updated policy allows members to use Instacart for smaller orders and undercuts competitors' prices, at which they waive delivery fees for paid membership plans. Management-wise, Instacart appointed Lisa Blackwood-Caprell as its next chief accounting officer and principal accounting officer. She brings extensive accounting experience to the company, having most recently worked at Lyft as their chief accounting officer and interim CFO. Blackwood-Caprell replaces Alan Ramsey, who is leaving Instacart after more than 5 years with the company. Ramsey's departure is not due to any disagreement or issue related to the company's operations or practices, and he will assist in the transition of his duties until March 14th. Then over to Joby Aviation, which reported its fourth quarter and full year 2024 results of a net loss of $608 million and a loss per share of 87 cents for the full year 2024, missing analyst estimates by 34% and 22% respectively. Revenue from the aerospace and defense segment contributed only $136 million, with research and development costs amounting to $477.2 million, making up 78% of total expenses. Despite missing expectations, Joby Aviation's revenue is expected to grow at an average rate of 60% per annum over the next 3 years, compared to a 7.6% growth forecast for the U.S. airline industry. This optimism is driven by record progress on the FAA certification process for their aircraft, delivery of a second aircraft to the U.S. Air Force, plans to carry passengers by late 2025 or early 2026, and over $1 billion in additional funding commitments. The company also completed successful demonstration flights in Korea as part of the KUAM Grand Challenge. In other news, Kimberly-Clark Professional introduced the Onvation Smart Fit technology, a sensor that fits inside paper towel and bath tissue dispensers to provide real-time data for commercial restroom facility managers. The system tracks paper product levels and restroom traffic to reduce waste and enhance efficiency while improving the guest experience. It also offers predictive insights based on advanced analytics, allowing janitorial staff to be scheduled more efficiently. For more detail on each of these companies, check out their respective videos that are already up now. And for coverage of other companies, as well as detailed technical analysis tutorials, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.